Hey guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a really fun video. We're going to be looking at a very magical and beautiful Christmas tree. It's going to really spark that inner child in a lot of you. And the best part is you can consider me your personal shopping assistant, as I have linked all of the items that you've seen in today's video in the description below. It's going to be a lot of fun, so let's get started. In our 16 Christmas tree design series, this is tree number 15, and this is called Unicorn Wishes. What a sweet little Christmas tree with its beautiful unicorns and rainbows and fluffy clouds. I can't imagine not falling in love with this little rainbow unicorn magical tree. It is such a whimsical tree, and certainly for those little ones who still have that fantasy in their heart, or for us adults who also still like the whimsical and magical aspects of life, this is definitely a tree which can certainly make your Christmas tree feel very joyous and very magical indeed. One of the things that I think is a big appeal to this Christmas tree is just the softness to it, with the magic of the rainbows and the pastels and the beautiful soft pinks and soft blues that really make this Christmas tree a very special piece. So how do we get a Christmas tree like this? You're going to start with a base that's going to be soft in color. I did find a flocked Christmas tree with beautiful rainbow lights that would really complement all the colors on this Christmas tree. Another option would be a beautiful light pink Christmas tree. I even found one that was like a pink ombre that was very subtle, that I thought was a really nice Christmas tree and could lend itself to many themes. And even if you're not really on the pink side, if you want to go for more of a blue tree, I recommend one of these pastel blue trees. This is also a lovely choice. It reminds me of the sky, and especially if you're not into pink that much, this is a nice option. For ribbon, a beautiful rainbow glitter tulle would be a lot of fun to do little patches of color and pop throughout this Christmas tree. Something with a stripe on it is going to look lovely and accent the rainbows in a nice way. And even this ribbon that you can tie into bows would be so nice, just because it's going to give that nice rainbow hues throughout the tree. For the garland on this Christmas tree, I found these beautiful pastel wooden beads, which I think would be a wonderful option. These wonderful pom-poms are such a whimsical option as well. I think they're very nice. What about adding in some additional lighting? So maybe some pastel lights, especially if you had a tree that had white lights. This would be a very lovely option. And even these rainbow tassels, I think, are very beautiful and would add a nice touch to the Christmas tree. For the picks on this Christmas tree, I love these pastel swirls. I think they give a very nice whimsical touch. I really like these pastel pink dried floral balls. I thought they were very pretty as well and would add nice texture to the Christmas tree. Snow clouds, of course. And so I actually want you to take the typical snow that you put on a Christmas village and instead make clouds out of it and put in your Christmas trees. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to make those pink, I did actually this with my cotton candy tutorial when I was making treats and Christmas ornaments for my sweet trees. So take a look at that if you want to figure out how to do that. Unicorn horns, of course, have to be in a Christmas tree like this. And so definitely you're going to want to add some of those. And certainly rainbows are going to be beautiful in a Christmas tree like this. I think that the rainbows are really the pieces that add that beautiful touch. For the ornaments on this Christmas tree, of course, we're going to need unicorns. And certainly there are a lot of beautiful unicorn options here. And you can't go wrong with any of these nice unicorn ornaments. They even have nice unicorn baubles that I think are cute with the painted eyelashes on there that are really nice. If it were me, I would add in beautiful pastel rainbow baubles under the Christmas tree in various colors. Or you can go with a soft pink or even these beautiful blush furry pom-poms. With these furry pom-poms, I would cluster those together and that would make a really beautiful effect, also similar to a cloud effect. And the toppers for this Christmas tree, they actually have a unicorn plushie, which is very cute, or even a unicorn crown with the flowers and the unicorn horn, I think is also a very nice touch. For the skirts on this Christmas tree, I would consider adding in some of these beautiful tulle wraps that you put around tables, and I would wrap those around your Christmas tree instead. And what you want to do is put them a little bit higher into the Christmas tree, and it's going to create like a skirt effect, and that's going to be really beautiful. They have these in different shapes, colors, and variations, which I think would look beautiful on this Christmas tree. Another option is to use the snow to create white clouds around the base, which I think would be really beautiful. You could add, for example, really nice wrapped packages with this beautiful wrapping paper, and that would be a nice accent to the bottom of these trees as well. So there's a couple of nice ideas for you. And then the other thing I wanted to add is these they're not actually unicorns for a Christmas tree, but I think that these type of unicorns, like this plush large unicorn, would be beautiful at the bottom of this Christmas tree, or even this unicorn wall decor would be nice in the Christmas tree. And so when you find these pieces, you don't necessarily have to have only Christmas. You can create these scenes which would be really beautiful as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if you also think this is a whimsical and magical Christmas tree. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.